Hi everyone, welcome back to Application Guruji YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to create this stylish modern 3D button with cool hover and click me effect using HTML and CSS. Friends, I am sure this button will give your website a stylish and interactive look. So let's get started. First of all, we will open a code editor. I am using VS Code here. Let's set up our basic HTML structure. So create a new HTML file. I'll name it button.html and we will add boilerplate HTML code here. Let's give us a title and create a button. We'll give it a text and let's save it. And now copy the path of this file and open it in your preferred browser. So guys, you can see we have a button here. It's simple click me button. It's on the left side. First of all, we will center it. We will be styling our button with CSS in the same file only. So let's add a style tag here. And give our button a class. And here for text, we will be giving a span. So guys, the basic structure of this project is ready. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, it's still the same because we have not done any changes regarding CSS. So let's start. First of all, we will center this button. I'll be using flexbox layout here. Setting the display to flex. Justify content center and align item center. Let's give a height also. I'll give full height. And let's change the background color of our body from white. Now save it. Let's have a look, guys. Now we have our button in the center here. Now let's design our button. We'll give our button some background color. We don't want any border for our button. Let's give some border radius. I think 10 to 12 pixel is fine. Color white. We'll set the cursor to pointer. We'll set font size to be some 18 pixel and we'll give a padding to our button 15 pixel and 30 pixel. So we'll set text transform to be uppercase. We will add box shadow here to provide our button 3D look. Now we will set the position to be relative. Let's save it and see how it looks. So here we have our button. You can see. Let's have a closer look here. Let's add some cool transition for hover and click animated effect. We will use before selector here. We will set empty content. Set position to absolute. Top will be 0, left will be 0, width and height 100%. We'll change the background alpha here. border radius to be 12 pixel. We'll give a transition here. And set the transform to translate in negative y direction by 4 pixel. Now let's apply transition for hover state and active state. We transform the button in y axis by -4 pixel and change the box shadow. Let's copy this for active state. We will alter the translate. We'll give 2 pixel here and change the box shadow to. Let's set transition to normal state as well. Let's see how it looks. As you can see, it's not working because actually by mistake we have here input the wrong value in translate. It should be 8 pixel. We have made mistake here as well. Actually it's active state. Let's save this and see how it looks now. So guys, here you can see it's not working. The reason, let me tell you. This space you can see here, this space should not be here. It's a small silly mistake, many actually do. Let's save this. See here guys, now it looks perfect. It's working now, and when we click we get this cool transition. This is still not finished here. Let's add some 3D effect to this text as well by setting the text shadow. As you can see, we are using span here. This span, we'll use this one for setting the effect. We'll set it position to relative and apply a text shadow. Let's save it. Guys, you can see here is the final product. We are now getting this one. And that's it. We've created a modern 3D button with hover and click animation using HTML and CSS. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more web development related tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.